Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of George's videos. I just thought I'd like to show you this. This is the doorstep area in the Talbot Express, and there was just this sticky tape hiding the hole. I'm surprised it got through an MOT like this, and this is what I've got to chop out. This is solid, so it's just this bit here. Yeah, it's not good, is it? Anyway, I should be able to do something with it, and the replacement repair panel should arrive today. Well, that's the rusty section cut away. It's not too bad under here actually. It'll get treated, and yeah, panel hasn't arrived yet, which is a bit of a nuisance. So I'll see if I can get this wire brushed so I've got a good metal to weld on, and that's what I'll do next. I think let's try and clear this up, get some of this paint off. Yeah, this is the rust that come out of the box section, and you can see it's clean now in there. That's a good start.